Welcome back to First Moveable Guitar Chords. This book focuses on 8 movable chord shapes. We've been studying movable major shapes. Right now we're on page 11 and we're going to add movable minor shapes. You can watch all these videos for free, but it's going to be a lot easier to learn with your own copy of First Moveable Guitar Chords that you can read from and write in. Plus you can help support a music teacher, so I'll leave a link in the description. At the top of page 11, we have 2 movable minor chord shapes, one with the root on the 6th string, one with the root on the 5th string. Let's take a look at the 6th string root first. This is finger 1 on the root of the chord on the 6th string, then finger 3, 4, and then 1, 1, and 1. So finger 1 is barring all 6 strings. And this is a whole lot like your movable major chord shape on the 6th string minus a finger. Here's the major chord shape with the 2nd finger down. Here's the minor shape with the 2nd finger up. And our other shape is on the 5th string root. Finger 1, 3, 4, 2. A lot of people like to also bar the 1st string. You can do that if you like. But I like to mute the 1st string and only bar if I need to, and I also make sure I'm either muting or just not playing the 6th string. So just the middle 4 strings. Right under those chord diagrams on page 11, we have this Chord Finder exercise. Same as the Chord Finder exercise you did on page 7 with the major shapes, we're just doing them with minor shapes. So we need to find an E flat minor on the 5th string. We first need to find our E flat note on the 5th string. That's going to be at the 6th fret. And because that's on the 5th string, that's our 5th string minor shape. So there's our E flat minor. Next we need a 6th string A minor. So find the note A on the 6th string. That's going to be at the 5th fret. And then that would be the 6th string minor shape. Next we have a 5th string D minor. We need to find our D on the 5th string. That's also at the 5th fret. And because that's a 5th string root, we play our 5th string shape. Next, G minor on string 6. So find your G on string 6. There's your root. And then you play your 6th string minor shape. And another G minor, but this one is on the 5th string. So you find your G on the 5th string. That's way up at the 10th fret. And play your 5th string minor shape. Second row we have a B minor on string 6. First find your B on string 6, that's going to be at the 7th fret. Then play your 6th string minor shape. Another B minor, but this one's on the 5th string. So now our root is going to be on the 2nd fret on the 5th string shape. There's our B minor on the 5th string. F minor on string 5. Now we need to find our F on the 5th string. That's going to be the 8th fret. And you play your 5th string minor shape again. And another 5th string. This is the C minor. So you find your C on the 5th string, 3rd fret, 5th string minor shape. And we end with another C minor, this one on the 6th string. So you find your C on the 6th string at the 8th fret, and you play your 6th string minor shape. At the bottom of page 11, we have 2 versions of Joshua Fought the Battle of Jericho. One in D minor and one in B flat minor. We're going to look at number 8, the D minor, first. And for this one, we're going to play our D minor chords on the 5th string and our A major chords on the 6th string. So this is going to be combining minor and major. If you need to review those major shapes, please go back to page 7. Starts off on the D minor on string 5, so find your D on string 5 for your root note. That's going to be at the 5th fret. Because that's on the 5th string, that's going to be our 5th string minor shape. And then the other chord in this song is the A major on string 6. So first find your A note on string 6, that's your root. That's also at the 5th fret. And again, that is with our major shape. And notice those 2 shapes are the same. Your minor on the 5th string and your major on the 6th string. It's just wherever you place those 3 fingers. Now normally when I'm playing D minor just by itself, I'll have my first finger on the 5th string, maybe just touching the 6th string to mute it. However, if I know I'm going to be going back and forth between these two chord forms, I'll go ahead and bar everything. So that way, I just need to move those 3 fingers back and forth and not my 1st finger. So I suggest practice going back and forth between those chords a couple times, get used to that movement, and then play the song. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. At the bottom of page 11, we have another version of Joshua Fought the Battle, this time in B-flat minor, and we're going to play our B-flat minor chords on the 6th string and our F major chords on the 5th string. It starts off with a B-flat minor on string 6, so we need to find our B-flat note on string 6. That's where our root is. That's going to be at the 6th fret. And because that's on the 6th string, we're going to play our 6th string minor shape. The other chord in this one is an F major on string 5. So we need to find our F on string 5. That's going to be at the 8th fret. And that's our 5th string major shape. So our roots are 2 frets apart in this case. Our B flat on the 6th fret, 6th string, and our F on the 8th fret on the 5th string. Practice going back and forth between those 2 chords. And then once you've done that for a while, play the song. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Your assignment is to practice the chord finding exercise at the top of page 11 and the 2 versions of Joshua Fought the Battle at the bottom of page 11. When you practice the songs, practice finding your root notes first and then figure out what chords go with those root notes. Then cycle through the chords. Don't worry about any kind of tempo. Once you can find your chords, go ahead and play the song at a nice, slow, even pace. And make sure you keep working on your knowledge of the 5th and 6th string notes with the exercises on page 6 and page 10. Don't forget to order your own copy of First Moveable Guitar Chords. I'll leave a link for that in the description. Stay on this page until you're comfortable with it, and then when you're ready, I'll see you on page 12. We have some more practice with movable major and minor chord shapes.